everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on ETV Scandal from the 6th to the 10th of April 2026 on Monday. A deadly suspicion about Mdala faces and fall into the wrong hands. After hearing KJ's fears, Dintle step up determined to fight for her child on Tuesday. To get closer to her target, a determined woman employs unscrupulous means to resolve her pain. When legal papers land on the table, a fragile love stands on the brink on Wednesday. A woman begins a dangerous mission and locks eyes with the man connected to a tragedy she can't forget. Victor's plan to force Kgalalelo home backfires when she refuses on Thursday. Mdala believes the trouble is over, unaware that something new is on the brew. All temptation ignite between Tutuko and Kgalalelo, and boundaries are blurred once more on Friday. Dintswalo start to have suspicions about the newest blessing at the apartment. Kgalalelo makes more moves than one, and her daily issues lead to an interesting development with Ntutuko. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.